Okay, good day, my dear students. Today I'm going to discuss our first module for third quarter, and it's all about tools, utensils, and equipment needed in preparing sandwiches. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the different tools, utensils, and equipment needed in preparing sandwiches. Classify the tools, utensils, and equipment correctly. Give the functions of each tool, utensil, and equipment, and use appropriate kitchen tools, utensils, and equipment in sandwich preparation. So what are the tools and utensils used in preparing sandwiches? The first one, we have the sandwich spatula. It's a small, flat, serrated on one side and smooth on the other side utensil. It looks somewhat like a round spatula and used to apply spread over the slice of bread. Scissors. It is used to customize the edges of a bread and cut the bread into a variety of shapes such as rectangle, triangle, or circle. The tea sandwiches for children are common sandwiches that are customized using scissors into a different shape. We also have the cookie cutter. It's a utensil consists of different sizes, from small to large. The small cookie cutter is perfectly used in cutting out the bread for tea sandwiches, while the medium and large sizes are used for preparing larger sandwiches. Okay, so we also have a grater. A grater is also called a shredder. This is an example of cutting kitchen utensil and usually used in grating the cheese, meat, and other ingredients into pieces. For number 5, we have a spatula. It is used to level off dry ingredients when measuring. This is also used in mixing the ingredients and spreading moist fillings into sandwiches. We also have a butter knife. Refers to a non-serrated table knife consists of a dull edge. It is used to serve out a pat of butter to individual plate and to apply spread such as butter, peanut, and cream cheese. Chef's knife, also known as cook's knife, that comes in various lengths from 6 to 14 inches. The mini chef's knife is a smaller sized knife, while the longer one is known as the traditional chef's knife. It is a cutting tool used for cutting meat, dicing vegetables, chopping nuts, and slicing meat. We also have a deli knife. It has a blade lower than the handle, allowing ease in slicing and handling food items. It is designed to cut or slice a variety of sandwich ingredients such as meat, bread, or tomato without damaging or compressing or squashing it. We also have a lettuce knife. It has a serrated edge for easily cutting through all types of green leafy vegetables, most especially the lettuce, without turning the edges into brown. Okay, for number 10, we also have a paring knife. It's a small knife, generally 3 to 5 inches long, and used mainly to core, peel, and section different types of fruits and vegetables. For number 11, we have a sandwich knife. It is shorter in length with shorter blade depth to easily slice the cutting task for a medium amount of food ingredients between 2 slices of bread. Okay, serrated knife, it is a knife with tooth-like edge. So like what you can see on our example, it is used to slice through foods with a hard exterior and softer interior, such as a loaf of crusty bread. And for number 13, we have the cutting board. It is made of wooden or plastic boards where meat, fruits, vegetables, and other food items can be cut, chopped, diced, or sliced. It is also used to protect the table when slicing, cutting, or dicing. Okay, for number 14, we also have a mixing bowl. It is a tool where ingredients are mixed. It can be made of plastic, glass, or aluminum. Scraper is made up of a rubber or silicone. It is a tool used to blend ingredients or scrape the food left from the bowl. Okay, we also have the measuring cups. Okay, so we have the graduated measuring glass, a transparent glass with fractional parts from 1/4 to 1 cup. This is used for measuring liquid ingredients such as milk, water, or juices. Okay, we also have the individual cups, which is used to measure dry ingredients for any recipe such as flour or sugar. Okay, we also have the utility tray. It's a flat dish or container that is used to carry, hold, or serve food in place. It can be made from plastic or aluminum. A strainer is a kitchen device that is most used to separate liquids away from other ingredients. A mixing spoon, it is used to spoon liquids over foods to lift food items as well as in mixing or combining ingredients. We also have the can, bottles, or cartoons opener, which is used to open a food container easily, such as cans, bottles, or cartons, and comfortably grip and turn knob. Okay, we also have a measuring spoon. A spoon used to measure a small quantity of either liquid or dry ingredients. When cooking, it may be made of plastic, metal, and other materials. They are available in many sizes, such as teaspoon and tablespoon. Okay, so for the kitchen equipment, the first one is we have the grill or griddle. It is a heavy, smooth, flat iron plate equipment that is heated and used for grilling food. We also have the oven, an enclosed compartment kitchen equipment used for cooking, baking, heating, or drying. A microwave oven, which is a relatively small box-like oven that raises the temperature of food. It is used for cooking or heating different food items. We also have the salamander, a small broiler used primarily for browning or glazing the tops of sandwiches. So it is often used to provide a nicely browned crust to a bread. Okay, a bread toaster, which is typically a small electric kitchen equipment designed to toast multiple types of bread products. We also have a slicer, which is used to slice foods more evenly, uniformly, as well as keep the texture of food intact. Okay, a chiller, which is an equipment in the kitchen used to chill sandwiches and other food items. And of course, a freezer, an appliance that keeps food frozen, an extremely low temperature. It is used to prolong the lifespan of the food and preventing the growth of bacterial infections from the foods. Okay, and of course, the refrigerator, which is needed in preventing bacterial infections from any type of food. Most refrigerators have separate compartments for meat, fruits, and vegetables to maintain the moisture content and freshness of each type of food. So thank you for listening. See you to the next lesson.